Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 27th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research and make your own decisions. Tesla is bouncing quite well today, so we are up $47.88. That's 6.17%. Closed at 824.46. Post market, we are down by 46 cents at 824. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we had this big green candle a couple of days ago. Then we had 3 days of pullback. And we pulled back almost to the bottom of the candle, which is an important support, as I mentioned yesterday. 764.86 was an important support, and we bounced on it. And now we are retesting the upper resistance right here. Lots of force in this stock, I have to say. And at the same time, if you remember in the past, we had identified this possible channel, or this channel that got stopped by that resistance right here. But lo and behold, we seem to be having the same level of momentum right here. So we have the same level right now. So this is quite interesting to see. So there's a symmetry right there. So far, the stock is going high, and it's going high at a very steep rate. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. How did that play out? So the first hour of the day was a gap up on the 1 hour chart. Look at this big green candle. This was a great move up right here. Of course, that brought stochastic over 60. So then it legitimized this move because we had the good stochastic. Then the stock kept climbing and climbing with almost no pullback, just one red candle once in a while in there, and we finished with a red candle, but we had this very interesting move up right here. So quite strong move for Tesla. Coming back on the daily chart, so stochastic at 90, so stochastic is pulling back up. MACD still great, RSI great, and DMI great. So everything is just great. This is just impressive, the rate of ascent that Tesla is having today. Let's look at the VIX to try and see what the rest of the market has been doing. On Friday, we had the VIX that was getting higher and higher, possibly breaking our downward resistance for this downward trend of the VIX. Now we had an interesting drop in the VIX today, so that helped Tesla for sure. Let's look at what the rest of the market did. Dow Jones coming back up, nice to see. S&P 500 going back up also. NASDAQ 100 too. Even though it dropped below 60, it only lasted 1 day, so that's great. And this NASDAQ 100 also coming back up. So really nice. Let's just pull back a little bit and understand that we are still in a downtrend. So we are in a big downtrend for all of the indices. And now we had a pull down. We tried to go up once. It did not work. We tried a second time. It did not work. And then the third time was a charm with the pullback. And now we are coming back up. We should expect the stock market to come back up to this level right here. So I'm talking for a NASDAQ approximately 13,300. So this is where we should see the stock market go eventually within a couple of weeks. And then the stock market is going to have to make a big decision as to whether it continues or it pulls back down again for another shorter term downtrend. So if you stay tuned, we are going to be here and check that every single day so that you don't miss what's going on with the stock market. And contrary to the news that you are looking at, we are looking at the full technical chart, not only the closing numbers, but the context with the support line and resistance lines, which are very important to understand. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link or my other affiliate links. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.